Something big is quietly forming behind the scenes, and the drone world can feel it. One leaked image was all it took to reignite speculation, excitement, and serious debate, and that image points directly to the DJI Air 4. This isn't just another vague rumor floating around forums. What surfaced appears to be a real prototype, reportedly a crashed test unit, and while the crash itself isn't impressive, what it revealed absolutely is. That single photo has sparked a deeper conversation about where DJI is heading next with its Air series. The design looks sharper, tougher, and more intentional than before, hinting at upgrades that go far beyond cosmetic changes. DJI doesn't redesign lightly, and when changes appear this deliberate, they usually signal something meaningful. The Air series has always lived in a carefully balanced space, portable yet powerful, accessible yet professional. If these leaks are accurate, the DJI Air May 4th be poised to push that balance further than ever before. Not by reinventing the category, but by refining it in smart, calculated ways that matter most to real pilots and creators. The leaked top-down image of the DJI Air 4 immediately reveals one standout change: thicker arms. This isn't a minor adjustment. Thicker arms suggest a stronger frame, improved durability, and possibly room for new internal hardware. Many observers believe these arms may house additional obstacle avoidance sensors, particularly on the top side, something the Air 3 lacked. If this turns out to be true, it's a big deal. The Air 3 offered solid obstacle detection, but it wasn't comprehensive. Adding more sensors could move the Air 4 much closer to Mavic-level flight intelligence, giving pilots greater confidence in complex environments like forests, urban streets, or tight indoor spaces. This kind of upgrade would dramatically improve real-world usability, not just safety. Stronger obstacle avoidance doesn't just prevent crashes, it expands creative freedom. Automated tracking shots could become smoother and more reliable, even in crowded or unpredictable environments. Less interference means fewer interrupted takes and more focus on capturing cinematic movement. For filmmakers, vloggers, and travel creators, this alone could redefine how the Air series is used. Of course, the camera remains the biggest point of interest. While DJI hasn't confirmed anything, leaks suggest a larger and more capable sensor, with some insiders hinting at a possible jump toward a 1-inch sensor. That would mark a significant upgrade. A larger sensor brings improved low-light performance, better dynamic range, and cleaner image quality in scenes that shift rapidly between highlights and shadows. Even if DJI doesn't cross the 1-inch threshold, most reports agree the Air 4's camera will still outperform the Air 3. The focus seems firmly on video creators. Expect refined 4K recording, potentially higher frame rates for smoother slow motion, and improvements in HDR and color science. DJI has been steadily improving its in-camera processing, which could mean more natural, ready-to-publish footage straight out of the drone with minimal editing. Battery life is another area where quiet but meaningful changes may be happening. The thicker arms could accommodate a larger battery, or DJI may be using more efficient motors to stretch flight time. Either approach could result in longer airtime, improved wind resistance, and better stability. Small improvements that add up to a much better flying experience. What has always made the Air series popular is balance. The Air 4 appears set to preserve that identity while adding deeper intelligence, stronger performance, and a more refined design. Lightweight enough for travel, capable enough for serious work, this is where the Air lineup thrives. As for release timing, leaks are divided. Some point to late 2025, while others suggest early 2026. DJI typically allows current models to mature before unveiling successors, so a carefully timed launch makes sense. Pricing will likely sit slightly above the Air 3, while remaining safely below the Mavic series. So what does all of this tell us? Based on leaks alone, the DJI Air 4 looks like a smart evolution rather than a radical overhaul. Improved obstacle sensing, a refined body, potential camera upgrades, and better overall efficiency point toward a drone built for reliability and real-world creativity. If you already own an Air 3, this may not be an urgent upgrade. But for pilots waiting for a powerful, compact, and dependable all-rounder, the Air 4 is shaping up to be worth the wait. It represents the kind of thoughtful progress DJI is known for: subtle on paper, impactful in practice. If the leaks hold true, the Air 4 won't just fill a gap in DJI's lineup. It could quietly redefine what a mid-range drone is capable of, delivering flagship-like intelligence without the flagship price. That balance between power and portability is exactly what defines the Air spirit. As more information surfaces, Technify will be watching every detail closely. Because if this drone delivers on even half of what these leaks suggest, the DJI Air 4 could become one of the most important releases in DJI's recent history.